The middle line is showing us that we are ready to continue growing. So let's try to open buy position, wasting our $100. As you can see, our initial deposit today was just $100. And the first trade is closed with profit, and we have $192 on the account right now. Here we are moving in the flat channel. Let me draw it for you, please. But it's I found even more interesting scenario. There is a very small upgoing channel, and according to which we have enough space to drop towards the bottom line, to the support line zone. Let's try this. So it's done. We have $284 on the account. Let me draw for you this upgoing channel. Now the price is hitting the bottom line of it, which acts like the support line zone. So that's why let's try to open buy position here, investing our $150, because according to the current market and pattern structure, if we're hitting the bottom line, support line zone of the upgoing channel right now, that means that we're highly likely to receive the pullback reaction from this point and start growing towards the upper edge of this channel. So that's why we have invested $150 here. Thanks God we're in profit. We have $422 on the account. And while you are waiting for this, don't forget to open the description to this video and subscribe to my private TG, where you will get access to the best trading signals, analytics, educational materials, and much more stuff that will help you to become a professional, experienced trader and get such amount of money, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online real cash daily. So don't waste your time. Subscribe right now. Link in the description. Okay, my friends, while I was talking, I have already opened one more sell position. Oh, yep, so this is one more profitable trade, and we have around $652 on the account. What do we have interesting here? Let's try to open sell position, because we're staying on the resistance line zone right now. Let me change my investment to remain at the same $350. And yep, it's done. We have $1,300 right now. This is around 13 times more than we had at the beginning. So if you want to have the same kind of result, get all of this money, it can easily. This is by joining my VIP channel, link for which you can find in the description to this video. So don't waste your time. Do this right now and be with me, guys. See you all, and bye bye.